The M&M shifter, is the CO2 obviously, is the wiring for the park neutral safety switch. This is a 3-speed clean neutral transmission, so what that means is the valve body is actually designed to go into neutral after your 3rd gear hit. You'll see that here on the pattern. There's a reverse neutral here, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and a clean neutral again. In your normal reverse pattern shifter in transmission, there's no neutral here, right? So in order to get back to neutral, you have to go back through the gears, which basically means on the big end of the track, you have no way to go into neutral. So that's set up for that. Again, obviously CO2 shifted thing. So excited to get this in the car. It's really light. It came with the bracketry for the Turbo 400 already installed somewhat, so should be a pretty quick job once we get the shifter to fit in the center console. Obviously that's going to be the bigger task, is how I want to mount that, and I've seen some mounts that are available for it, but I'm not really stoked on any of them, so I'm going to see what I can come up with on my own. Alright, check this out. I am super happy with how this shifter turned out. I was able to cut a corner off the cup holder, as you saw the last part of that video there. But I still have the cup holder, still works. Obviously the lights still work, that thing fits well. I'll close the door, hang on. I mean, that's pretty cool. All the buttons still work then. Super stoked about how that turned out. So yeah, you can see a little bit better down in there, maybe with that plate that everything's bolted to like you saw in the video, and the shifter mount. But yeah, super cool. Everything's in there right now, but it is kind of temporary because I'm gonna have to pull part of the center console back out to hook up the CO2, the MAC valve, and the wiring for the neutral safety switch at some point. So, but yeah, so that's gonna be it for the video for this weekend. I have everything to put the transmission in now, so I'm going to be doing that for the video for next week, and also we're going to be setting the car up to ride height, measuring drive shaft length, inputting this, and this is pretty cool. It's a strange yoke. It's a Motion Raceworks drive shaft speed sensor. I can't talk today. Yeah, it's a Motion Raceworks drive shaft speed sensor kit. Comes with the trigger wheel that goes on this step on the yoke there, and then this all mounts to the housing to the rear end. Comes with a sensor, that kind of thing. So don't forget to subscribe and follow along with us as we upgrade our Mustang till for the 2021 season. And yeah, we'll go from there, man. See you guys next week.